Before you commit to help desk software, here are 12 crucial things you need to know that could save you time, money, and frustration, and stick around, because the last point might just change your decision entirely. First, pricing isn't always what it seems. Many help desk tools advertise low monthly fees, but hidden costs for essential features like integrations or additional users can quickly add up. Always read the fine print. Next thing, usability matters more than you think. Some platforms promise powerful features, but bury them in overly complex dashboards. Choose software that balances power with simplicity to avoid wasting time on training. Third, integrations can make or break your experience. Does it work seamlessly with your existing tools like email, CRM systems, or invoicing? Some competitors fall short here, creating bottlenecks that hurt productivity. The fourth thing, automation capabilities. Basic ticketing isn't enough anymore. You'll want automation for tasks like ticket assignments, reminders, and follow-ups. Not all help desk software offers robust automation without extra costs. Fifth, customer support for the software itself is often overlooked. Ironically, many help desk providers fail to deliver quality support when you need help with their product. Look for providers with a reputation for responsive service. Next, scalability is key. Whether you're running a small team or planning to grow, make sure the software can handle increased ticket volume and team members without requiring an expensive upgrade. Seventh, customization options can enhance productivity. Look for software that lets you tailor workflows, ticket fields, and templates to fit your specific business needs. Many competitors have rigid systems that can adapt. Eighth, mobile access is non-negotiable. A good help desk tool should let you manage tickets and communicate with customers on the go. Surprisingly, not all platforms offer a user-friendly mobile app. Ninth, analytics and reporting features are essential for improvement. While some software offers only basic stats, others provide deep insights into ticket resolution times, customer satisfaction, and agent performance. Don't settle for less. 10th, data security. Protecting customer information is crucial. Ensure the platform complies with relevant regulations like GDPR and offers encryption. Some budget options cut corners here, which can lead to costly problems. Next thing, onboarding and training. A smooth setup process and accessible tutorials can save your team from unnecessary headaches. Check user reviews to see how other businesses rate the onboarding experience. Finally, future-proofing. Technology evolves fast. Choose a platform with regular updates and a clear commitment to staying ahead of industry trends. Some providers lag behind, leaving you with outdated features. Help desk software like this can be a solid option, but if you want a better solution that's designed to simplify your operations and grow with your business, check out our recommended alternative. It's powerful, easy to use, and you can try it for free.